What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you what companies I have on my watch list. I have a ton of companies that I want to do videos on, but I figured by the time I get to these videos, it'll already be too late for some of them. So I want to give you my list that I have currently right now for 2020, and it starts right now. So starting up, I got UMC or United Micron Electronic Corps or Microelectronic Corps. They're actually up 4% from Friday because this video is being released today on Saturday. DM is up 4.5%. ARKK, SOS is up 6%. CRNT, WFC, they're down. Posh is down a little. QD is down a little. EGP is up 1%. PSB, Rio SF, QSR, WCN, Gold. There's actually a company called Gold. BMO, RY, SHOP, or Shop, and LSI, WPC. As you can see, I don't think I need to name all of them, but a ton of companies that I am looking at right now. INO is slightly down, but not much. And just because they're down or up for the day doesn't necessarily mean anything. NEO is up 6%, and FedEx is up barely anything, but Yala, they're up 4%. So if we really want to get into more detail, maybe I should do this live next time, and then you can kind of say, hey, what about this company? Or hey, what about this company? XL Fleet's up 7%. And then that way, I feel like we can get a little bit more community action going on in the channel, but also you'll be able to get a little bit more insight on some of these companies. If you do want me to do a video on one of these companies and I don't have it in my playlist, or you just want an update, feel free to comment below saying that you want me to do a review on one of these videos. And also smash the like button, because it definitely helps for me to grow this small channel, and I appreciate it. That's the one thing I ask. I don't sell anything. I don't have courses, and I don't say I'm the best stock trader in the world, because I'm not. I just want to be real with you guys, and I don't ever ask for money or anything like that. All I ask is for your participation. Give me a comment and a like. Right. A lot of good companies though. BMI, Wendy's, $20 a share. There's some penny stocks in here kind of thrown around. IVR, I own a couple shares of that. Iron Mountain, Intel's down 10%. So Intel might be a good opportunity to buy right now because it is down 10%. See what happens on Monday, and it might be a good opportunity to buy. It's a nice little dip. AMD, MU, which is crazy. I can't believe AMD and MU are up so freaking high right now, because I remember trading AMD at like $10 or $15 and MU around like almost the same price. It's just amazing like how far these companies can go. It's crazy. Whitestone REIT or Whitestone Realty, maybe even Whitestone Rock. I own one share of that right now just to test the waters, but I'm up 2% for the day. APLE, so it is Apple, but it's not Apple stock like Apple iPhones. It's more of an Apple REIT, like a hospitality REIT, I believe. LADR, GIS, General Mills, I believe. Store, Umpqua, ARI, HIG. A lot of different companies that I actually watch daily. And if you haven't heard, there's also another strategy you could do where, like, You watch, say, 10 companies, and you watch them for like, say, a month or two. And when they go down 3 to 5%, you buy more. And when they go up 3 or 5%, you either sell it or you hold out and wait for it to drop again. But doing those little increments are like swing trades. You like for Apple, 5%. Say you buy at 130 and it goes up 5%. Maybe like $7 or so, and so you sell it and you get a $7 profit. You know what I mean? Like it's not gonna be like a heck of a lot of money, but I mean, you do that 10, 20 times a month, you can make some good money. $70, $100 on a small account, $7,000 on a small account. And then some of the heavy hitters I have here at the end, SMG or Chipotle, Google, $1,800 a share, almost 19. Tesla, 846, and Amazon, 3,293. Then I got my daily movers. I got the real estate. So let's see what the daily movers were for Friday. You guys are watching this and there's nothing to do. The stock market is closed because it's Saturday, the 23rd. You're probably just hanging out, not doing much right now. So why not smash the like button? And seriously, let's see. So the daily movers, there's 20 items today. Hot off the press, see the 20 companies with the biggest swings in stock price today. So you could play this both ways. While this loads, let me talk about it real quick. And so again, like I said, if there's a huge play and it's up 10, 15, 20%, there's a catalyst and you need to look into it and see if you're able to say get into the position and see a potential to go higher, or you play it to where like, okay, it's overbought, so say tomorrow or the next week it's going to be oversold, and then that's when I'm going to buy. Higher highs create higher lows and vice versa. Now let's say that same thing happens on a bad day. Now, this company is a great company. It might have missed earnings by a couple of cents. People get all dramatic. They want to sell their shares. So say it's down 10%. That's an opportunity to buy the stock at a discount. I mean, who doesn't like a 10% discount, right? So look at this. Symbol QTT for price $3.34. It's down 23%. So you could have got this company on Friday for 23% less than what it was previously. Now, I don't know the fundamentals of this company or much about it, but that might be something to do some research on, right? Global Stars down 8, ViewRay's down 14. Lumber Liquidators is down 11. IBM is down 10. Now, I heard about IBM coming down. It dropped because of a whole bunch of different things. So if you want to, you want me to do a video on that, I can. I wanted to plan on doing one about that. But this is actually officially video 23 of 30 out of my 30-day challenge. And I've been doing it every single day. So thank you for watching, because it's been definitely a journey. But yeah, good things about IBM, Tap.A, which is like a Coors beverage. On the plus side, let's look at some of these stocks that are in the positive. Sunworks, or ticker symbol SUNW, they're up 18%. Tellurian, or TELL, they're up 25%. And they have a $1 billion market cap. Just Energy is up 32%. Jumia Technologies is up 29%. PLTR is up 25%. 111 or 111, I'm not sure how you want to say it, but the ticker symbol is YI. They're up 35%. Polar Power up 41%. GameStop up 41%. Climate Change Crisis Real Impact is up 68%. And I was going to do a video on this company, but there's not a whole lot about this company right now. And then RLX Technology, they're up 157%. in one day. Now that is just incredible because the share price right now is $30.85, and they have a market cap at $26 billion. Pretty awesome. So this is kind of like hanging out with me on Saturday night and just kind of taking it a little bit more relaxed, not so serious. Not doing a strong buy today, but I'm literally just showing you videos on what my watch list is, as well as the daily movers that are also in my watch list, using the Robinhood app. And again, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because 80% of you watching right now are not subscribed. I have over 200 videos on stocks, strong buys, and mostly the stock market. A couple on finance, money, savings, and investing in real estate, but mostly I love REITs, and that is a real estate investment trust. For all of you who don't know, I just enjoy the 90% payouts in dividends from those companies. They must do it, and I enjoy getting the payments from it. So smash the like button again and subscribe for more.